Assalamu alaikum, I'm Maria Gould and I'm working in the Beaconhouse as Senior Section Coordinator in Beaconhouse Defense Ring Road campus. I got this opportunity to attend this course on AI in the classroom. I must say that this course has equipped me with the AI framework and with a better understanding of the AI tools that I can use in my classroom to make my students more critically evaluative, and these tools actually make me more equipped to analyze where we are and where we have to head on with reference to the policy regarding AI and the utilization of these tools effectively by the teachers. So I must recommend this course to all the educators that maybe at the moment you are thinking that you are using the AI tools, but are you using it or are you getting the optimum benefit out of that? That's a question. So for that, you must join this course for a better insight and for a better future for your students also. Thank you.